All right, Phil.
Good morning, Chad. How are we doing today, guys? Little breakfast. Sunday. Woke up at 11 to this beautiful view. Said thanks to God. And I'm looking at the gym I was in yesterday. That today I have to come sooner. Probably. I wanted to make some eggs for breakfast, had no eggs, so I made Nutella with toast. That's my first calorie deficit. I mean the whole jar. How do you call it?
Jar.
Whole jar. Not whole, like yesterday just, but like in 4 days. So we started off well, but we will do at least the photos before and after, like my body, how it is right now and how it will be. Let's say 3 weeks. I would say 3 weeks, not 2 weeks, because 2 weeks is not enough after 3 years of not doing anything. I feel like 3 weeks I can do progress. So, because the summer is just around the corner. I mean, summer here is the whole year, so yeah, I'm already too late. Whatever. Today, we're gonna. What are we going to do actually? I was trying to go to the beach now, to have a workout and to go to the Golden Bay.
That sounds nice.
It's 15 minutes away from that side, and it's also for a sunset, so we could go later. And it's beautiful sunset from that part of the island. It's the best one there. It's not nothing too fancy. It's just a normal like public beach, I think. Yeah, but in the meantime, my friends are not here and they can't show me the spots, the hidden spots. Then yeah, we will do this probably and buy some stuff for. I don't know. We have to buy. I need to buy notes and a pen. I was so sleepy that I fucking locked myself out of the apartment, so I have no keys to get in. So that's why I'm 1 floor below. Now we have to figure out how to climb back up onto my floor. So, yeah.
All right, Phil, what are we doing?
Okay, Chet, so what we're doing here right now, it's Sunday, chill Sunday. We're dopamine maxing with the Liverpool against Man United game with your Liverpool jersey on.
Let's
Man
go.
United actually scored right now, so I think it's the safest bet to put Liverpool to score 2 goals. We have to make it as soon as possible on our stream too, because they might score right now. Anyways, I'm gonna cook some simple eggs without woman, because I mean, women are not helping me today. So we're trying this new kitchen if it actually works, and we're gonna play some sluts in the background. So hope to have a successful Sunday, guys.
Let's go.
Guys, we're cooking this, and also the cameraman shouldn't be speaking.
The cameraman
It's a boss here.
is the highest IQ individual.
They're always quiet.
It's real talent to hold the camera. You hold the pan, I hold the camera.
Not the cook actually, but
Let's see how you do it. Oh,
it's the wrong one.
it's rotten. It's no
rotten.
good. Yeah.
Shit, it's horrible, guys. Chad, this is a good start. It looks like your anus. Cameraman, what you got? So this goes to shit.
Yeah.
So we got no avocado.
That's okay. Our meal just got a little less sophisticated.
Ruined, Chad.
Yeah, and we started off really well. United scored second goal of the game. It's 15th minute in. God help us, we didn't put a bet on Liverpool, right?
Yeah. Yeah. You'll never walk alone.
It's VAR, the sluts doing.
We're still even, pretty much.
Pretty much, it's going to hell. We need to change the game, I feel like. So this is what a Sunday of a dopamine maxer should look like, right? Plus some naked bitches. And some nice drink.
I mean, the girls would be doing it for you if it was real.
Yes. But sometimes girls cook worse than you think. Many times actually. But at least they can clean better. We're just going to pour it here little and slowly. No problem with it.
Guys out there, check what Phil got. The protein roll.
Yeah, it's already too late. But maybe we can do this.
Oh, look at you taking the lead. He's cutting too. Phil, tell us what you can do.
What do you mean? Well,
Like when you do so much, tell us what
Bro,
you can
you gotta
do.
take the lid off.
I know, but it was already, see?
Oh, weird.
It is.
Well, that means it's been contaminated.
How's the chat look?
Contaminated, we don't know this word.
Oh, no, that's cool. At least the stream, you don't have to be perfect. Like the vlogs, like anytime I'm recording for YouTube.
Guys, but you have to be always switched on. You cannot speak about like here 0 viewers.
Okay.
There's one thing you have to always be like,
Switched on? All right.
yes.
Show always goes on.
The show goes on. All right, thank you, Phil.
And if you do it again,
If you do it again,
just don't.
just don't.
I guess I just need to find my.
You have to be always switched on, like you're speaking to, I don't know how to tell it. I don't know, we should have a session on this probably. But God, you got the wrong jersey on.
Sorry, bro. Liverpool all the way.
All,
Is that Egyptian guy still doing it?
Salah?
he's done.
He's done?
After this season, he's done.
Like retired?
He goes somewhere.
Oh.
Yeah.
But this is
He's
this
at
this.
prime. We shouldn't have sold Mane.
You shouldn't have sold Diaz.
Oh, Luis Diaz, I think he decided to go because he knew Bayer's hot.
Yo, Chad, we need to change the game here. It's so slow that even the algorithms doesn't like us. Where are the games?
Seven, eight, six.
6.
Ahí está. That looks like a pretty good omelet. I can't wait to make mine and Jono's.
Yo, this is pissing me off.
What's this called?
The internet.
Okay, we're working with what we got. If anything, I think we're making great work with what we have.
We should.
Need some Olympus?
Yes. We just mix it right and nice. I'm doing scramble. What are you doing today?
I'm gonna try to do an omelet. We'll see.
Omelette. That's nice.
Yeah, make something. John, what would you like, sir? I'm gonna make something.
It's all up to you, bro. I'll
Nah.
what you're eating.
How many do you want?
Some people hate this. I don't. I need chili and I don't have ketchup yet, but
Well, it depends. Are you gonna be hungry later today and eat, or is this like your one meal today?
This is protein. Hold this over till then.
Okay, there you go. Yeah, 2 eggs. But not too much, not too much.
Here, I'm gonna record
Check.
this again on the vlog. Deal. You got it.
come on, guys, we're cooking this, and also the cameraman shouldn't be speaking.
Cameraman
It's the boss here.
is the highest IQ individual.
That's why he's quiet. The highest IQ individuals are always quiet.
It's real talent to hold the camera.
Yeah,
You hold the pan, I hold the camera. We see.
yeah. And you hold your dick.
All these people be like, oh, I got 10K on my wrist. Well, I got 2K in my hand right here. Right? It's like 2K.
Wow, this is impressive.
What's impressive? Putting bread in the pan?
No, your display. The eggs.
Display?
Yeah, the
Bro, I
white
cannot
ones.
do any display. I don't need this cheese probably.
Okay.
This for pasta. I wanted to have this one. United is on track, guys. I feel like next season, if they get Rashford back on the number 9 against Sesko, I think they will do really well. You're all in alliance.
I'll tell you, this is the Liverpool way. We're gonna, in the 80th minute, we're gonna score a goal, and then we're gonna score a last minute header, and we're gonna celebrate like it's no one's business.
That's why you have to make the bet.
Okay, here we go. Work on. Thank you, sir. We are doing a taste test on the Phillips. What do you call them, this Phillip?
My morning egg.
Morning eggs.
Morning nut.
Morning wood.
Oh,
Morning wood.
let's see how much the mask lets me.
Oh, that's good, bro. Yum, yum.
All right, John, come for the taste test.
All right.
All right.
Cameraman is in.
The onion is not done.
And you got a superb.
Oh yeah. Woo! If we're gonna be doing this, we need to be drinking.
Right.
¿Qué pasa, mi gente? Estamos ganando. Thank you, Phil. To yam cooking. Let's. I'm gonna point like this, and you're gonna move it a little bit. Do I see
Soy
it?
Jack.
How's the gambling doing?
So, Jack.
Yeah, there you go. We got the phone. Yeah, that's our phone.
You won't believe what we did this morning at 3.
You won't believe how much we lost.
You don't believe what we did, what time we ate breakfast?
Yeah.
3 p.m. All right, make it for our boy Jono back here. We're gonna make some special eggs.
Actually works the way I think. Can I use one more bread?
Go for it, man. So what I was taught is you like to whisk it, doing the fork up, to let the air in. I forget the reasoning. Well, it's what my stepmother taught me when whisking your eggs. Spices. Always for me, the number one thing is you always put enough salt. That's like the number one most basic ingredient. You can make any meal with just salt.
Yeah. I don't do that much salt. But salt is good.
All right, we're done with that.
I think James is gonna cook better. I already see it.
Thank you. Have you ever worked in the kitchen?
No. Why?
Oh, just curious.
I don't work in the kitchen. It's not our job back home. Me in the kitchen.
When I was in Florida for 2 years, and I was 20, I worked as a painter during the day,
Okay.
and then at nighttime I'd work as a line cook.
So this is a hidden talent.
Well, it's not a talent. It's more of just, you do the same
Skill.
thing. Yeah, it's a lost one. Tell you one thing, folks. Working in the kitchen is not freaking ratatouille. That's a lie. It's so much worse.
So what's the difference?
Line cook is like the chef is the guy in charge. He's the general, and he has his sergeants, and then he has his grunts.
And he just
Line
puts
cook,
shit-
you're a grunt. Depending on your experience, again, this is my experience in the Italian bistro. I was only for doing appetizers, salads, and maybe helping with some main dishes. There's someone ahead of me who's then worked on the pasta, and then the chefs are the ones in the front. They're the people you see. If you go to a restaurant and you can see them, like a fancy restaurant, this one, you always saw them in the front. The line cooks were in the back. You never see us. They are dealing with the meat.
That's actually interesting.
So, but you were then just like cutting vegetables,
Preparing
and
stuff,
like
no?
that.
Cutting, prepping, appetizers, desserts.
Okay.
So I'm all day, like for hours before it gets busy, we're in the kitchen cutting the food. We're cutting the vegetables, having everything ready. It was Croatian, and he was what a a-hole. But if you ever watch actual chef movies, the environment, they yell at you, they curse at you. It's one of the worst places. So he's cursing at me, and I'm learning, I'm rushing. And then later at the end, when everyone's gone, he's like, "Hey, brother." Like, man, don't touch me. And ever since then, I always think Croatians are mean. Yo, Chad, are all Croatians mean? Put that as
I don't think so.
a thumbnail.
I don't think so. You were in the wrong environment just.
Yeah. No, but I've been to another restaurant. I was in another restaurant before that. And the kitchen environment always becomes hectic. It's always hectic, a little stressful, and it's not that nice. So if you ever watch The Bear where they're cursing and all that, that's the environment. That's how it is. It's stressful.
That's the life. It's true.
You're better off cooking for yourself as a hobby. But I do have such appreciation for it. Back when I started reading Anthony Bourdain again, it made me wonder if it's like something I should take seriously, if I should have taken seriously.
So you like paprika?
It's just, you want to have a good spice other than salt to help with
Yeah,
the
I know.
flavor.